Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering proof and access. Open your profile and copy your player ID and exact nickname, then make clear screenshots of your current server and any purchases. Once done, link a social account if you haven't already, because support needs a stable contact method. Make sure your device model and OS version are noted too. This speeds verification. Do this now so you won't be stopped later. Accurate details are the foundation for an early server change request. Next, you submit a formal ticket through in-game customer service. Describe the exact request. Ask for a server move before the 7-day restriction and include your player ID, screenshots, linked account, and the target server name. Explain why, for example, to join friends, recover purchases, or attend region events, and keep the tone factual. Once sent, monitor responses and respond quickly to any agent questions. Timely replies greatly increase your chance of approval and speed up the process. Finally, follow whatever verification steps the support agent gives you. You'll likely need to confirm ownership and wait for processing. Once done, avoid unlinking accounts or making big changes while they act, because that can delay approval. If support approves, they'll instruct you how to reconnect to the new server. If denied, politely request escalation or alternative solutions such as gift transfer or a timed exception. One troubleshooting tip: if replies stall, reopen the ticket with updated timestamps and clarify urgency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.